Move over budget tablets because the new iQOO Pad 5e just changed the rules. With a blazing 144Hz display, flagship-level Snapdragon power, and a 10,000 mAh battery, this tablet is built to dominate, especially when it comes to gaming. Just days after Vivo launched its Pad 5e, iQOO, the company's performance-driven sub-brand, dropped its own version. And make no mistake, this isn't a simple clone. The iQOO Pad 5e is tailored for gamers who crave power, speed, and immersive sound, all in a premium yet surprisingly affordable package. At the heart of the experience is a stunning 12.05-inch display, a 144Hz refresh rate, 2800 by 1968 pixel resolution, and 900 nits of peak brightness make everything from racing games to Netflix streams feel alive. Despite packing a massive battery, the Pad 5e stays sleek at just 6.62 millimeters thin and weighs 584 grams, light enough to hold, powerful enough to play. Under the hood, the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 takes charge, a chipset known for flagship-level performance and efficiency. Paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, this tablet effortlessly handles demanding titles and multitasking alike. Whether you're editing, streaming, or grinding through a marathon gaming session, this tablet doesn't flinch. And if you think visuals are everything, wait till you hear it. The quad speaker setup delivers a spatial, 3D-like sound experience that pulls you right into the game. Then there's the 10,000 mAh battery, ready to fuel hours of non-stop play or back-to-back binge sessions. Because power means nothing if you can't stay in the game. On the back, an 8-megapixel camera with LED flash handles quick shots and video calls. The finish? Smooth, metallic, and available in green, gray, and silver, giving you a device that looks just as sharp as it performs. The iQOO Pad 5e starts at RMB 1,999, around 281 USD, offering incredible value for what's inside. Higher configurations go up to RMB 2,999, about $562 for the maxed out 16GB RAM and 512GB storage model. Right now, it's exclusive to China, but if it launches globally, expect it to shake up the mid-range tablet market. So, is the iQOO Pad 5e the sleeper gaming tablet of the year? We'd say it's got all the right specs to make some serious noise. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more deep dives into the latest tech.